Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again. If you're new here, my name is comfort@nutricomply.com. Thank you for stopping by. Today I will be making coleslaw with my special homemade dressing. To do that, I will be using both green and purple cabbage. I like adding the two together to make my coleslaw look pretty, but you don't have to use the two. If you don't have the purple one, you can go ahead and use the green color alone and it's going to be okay. I will also be adding carrots, and I like throwing in some additional ingredients, so I will be adding walnuts. I will also be adding protein sauce, so I'll be using chicken. I like adding some onions into my coleslaw. A little bit of onion in the coleslaw is going to take the taste of the coleslaw to another level, but just make sure you don't use too much of onion, or else the onion can overwhelm the taste of the coleslaw and you may probably not like the taste. Just add little onion. To make my dressing, I will be using Greek yogurt, low calorie Greek yogurt, low fat Greek yogurt. But if you don't have Greek yogurt, it's okay. You can make use of your mayonnaise, but just make sure you use low calorie mayonnaise. I will be adding lemon. I will be adding black pepper. I also use olive oil. I like a little bit of sweetness in the dressing, so I'll be using honey. So if you don't like honey or you don't have honey is optional. You can remove it. It's not compulsory to add honey. I will be adding salt, and lastly mustard, yellow mustard. So these are the ingredients I will be using to make my dressing. So to start with, I will be pan frying my chicken. To pan fry my chicken, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil into my pan and allow it to heat up. I like throwing in some green onion into my pan to add additional flavor to my chicken. I will add the chicken. I'm going to cook the chicken on each side for 5 minutes. You don't have to use chicken. You can use any proteins of your choice. You can use beef, you can use shrimps, you can use egg. Talk of any proteins of your choice, but I prefer using chicken. Once the chicken is nicely cooked, remove it from the heat and set it aside. Go ahead to toast your walnuts for 5 minutes, and once it is done, also set it aside and allow it to cook down. So the next thing is to cut my vegetables. I've thoroughly washed all my vegetables and remove all the bruised and dirty layers. So I'll be cutting my cabbage into 2. Before you shred your cabbage, don't forget to remove the core. So nicely shred the cabbage so that your coleslaw will also look nice. So I'll be adding 6 cups of the green cabbage. So for the red cabbage, I just need 2 cups of the red cabbage because I don't like the purple color of the cabbage to overwhelm the green one. So I'll be adding just 2 cups. So for the carrots, I will be shredding my carrots. Once you want to shred your carrot, make sure you shred it by the side so that you will have a nice shredded carrot. And I will be adding 2 cups of carrots. And for the onion, I need just 1 cup of the onion in my coleslaw. I will be cutting the chicken. I like shredding my chicken so that the chicken will have the same shape as those of carrot and the cabbage. Once the chicken is nicely shredded, add it to the bowl. So the next thing is to cut the walnuts into smaller pieces. I need 2 cups of walnuts in the coleslaw. To make my cream, I will be adding 8 tablespoons of Greek yogurt into my bowl. Add the olive oil and the honey, and also the mustard. Throw in the lemon juice and add the salt and the black pepper. Whip everything together, and once the dressing is nicely whipped together, set it aside and go ahead to mix all the ingredients together. I like adding additional ingredients to my coleslaw to make it a meal. The regular coleslaw is usually consists of shredded cabbage and shredded carrot with cream, and they are being served as a side dish or as a topping in sandwich. But for me, I like making it a meal, and that's why I usually add protein sauce like chicken and also adding some nuts. This is my portion bowl for salad, and once I have the coleslaw, it's so filling and yummy, so I normally have it as my dinner or as my lunch. We just encourage you to try it in your kitchen, and you are going to really love it and enjoy it. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do that. And if you also love the video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Bye. See you in my next video.